Starting with the numerical number 6.11, a wire has linear density 4.0 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram per meter. So this is the linear density 4.0 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram per meter. It is stretched between two rigid supports with a tension of 360 Newton. Here the tension is directly given to us in Newton, so no need to convert. The wire resonates with frequency of 420 Hertz. Once the wire is vibrating with frequency 420 Hertz and then with frequency 490 Hertz. After that, in two successive modes, successive मतलब थर्ड मोड है तो उसके बाद वाला कौन सा होगा, फोर्थ मोड. उसके बाद वाला अगला, अगर 420 वाला फोर्थ मोड है तो उसके बाद अगला कौन सा होगा, सक्सेसिव मोड, फिफ्थ वाला. दैट मीन्स सक्सेसिव. फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द वायर. ओके, सो इफ first you understand the concept. For first harmonic it is n. For second harmonic it is 2n. For third harmonic it is 3n. So here the mode is unknown to us. So for pth harmonic it will be pn. सक्सेसिव p, तो p के बाद क्या होगा, p प्लस वन. p प्लस वन हार्मोनिक इट विल बी p प्लस वन n, राइट. सो इफ आई से दिस इज pth हार्मोनिक का फ्रीक्वेंसी, सो दिस विल बी p प्लस वन हार्मोनिक का फ्रीक्वेंसी. सक्सेसिव है ना, मतलब p है तो p प्लस वन. अगर ये means if it is 2, p is 2, then 2 plus 1 3. if this is p is 4, so 4 plus 1 5 हो गया ना सक्सेसिव. 4 के बाद आया बराबर 5. so here it is not given to us it is which mode specify नहीं किया है. so हम लोग इसको एक को p ले लेते हैं और उसके बाद वाला p plus 1 ले लेते हैं. और according to the formula which is given to us for vibration produced in stretched string, that is for pth harmonic it is p into n. And how that is derived? For first harmonic the formula derived from the derivation is n. For second harmonic it is 2n. For third harmonic it is 3n. So of course for pth harmonic it will be pn, and for p plus 1th harmonic it will be p plus 1n. and n is what? N is the fundamental frequency, that is 1 upon 2l t upon m. Okay, hope you understood clear now. So for np the formula will be, that is for pth harmonic, frequency for pth harmonic. So here we have seen frequency for pth harmonic. Here I have not written frequency, but you can understand. It is frequency of first harmonic is n, frequency of second harmonic is 2n. Similarly, frequency of pth harmonic is pn. So formula is pn, that is np upon p, which gives me n over. Let it be as 1. Now let's see for frequency of p plus 1th harmonic. Frequency of p plus 1 harmonic is, frequency of p plus 1 harmonic is p plus n, p plus 1 n, p plus 1 n. So I'll keep n on this side and p plus 1 in the denominator. This is 2. From 1 and 2, I can see that right hand side are equal. So what can I write? I can write left hand side are also equal. That is frequency of pth harmonic upon p is equal to frequency of p plus 1 harmonic upon p plus 1. Both the right hand sides I have written equal because because right hand sides are equal, so I have written left hand sides are also equal. Now what is np given to us? It is 420. I don't know what is p. What is np plus 1 given to us? 490. So here I have substituted 490 and p plus 1 as it is. After that, from here 0 and 0 gets cancelled. So can I write 42 upon 49, this 49 in the denominator and p in the numerator. P and p plus 1. So it is 7 7s are 49, 7 6 are 42. Now I'll do cross multiply. 6 into p plus 1 is equal to this 7 over here, so this is 7p. Now I'll open the bracket. 6p plus 6 is equal to 7p. Let 6 be over here and 6p will go on right hand side. So 7p minus 6p. So 6 is equal to p. I got p as 6. If this p is 6, what will be this? 7. So I got the value of p. I'll substitute in the formula. What is asked? L is asked. See. You can do it over here also. P is obtained as 6. Now NP, which is given as 420, right? What is NP? NP is P into N. We have written it over here. NP is P into N. So NP is equal to P. What is fundamental frequency? I have told that it is 1 upon 2L under root T upon M. So 1 upon 2L under root T upon M. So we can do things over here. P is obtained as 6 upon 2. Let L be as it is. T is given to us 360. M is 4 into 10 raised to minus 3. 2 1s are, 2 3s are. So it is 3 upon L. Now, okay. Let this be as 4. Take this 10 raised to minus 3 ऊपर. So that becomes 36 into ये 0 और ये 10 raised to minus 3 ऊपर चला जाएगा तो हो जाएगा 10 raised to positive 3. ऊपर आ गया तो 10 raised to positive 3 और ये एक 0 मिला देंगे तो हो जाएगा 10 raised to 4. So यहाँ पर square root में it is 10 raised to 4. Now I'll remove this terms from square root. So 3 upon L. 36 का is 6. Sorry, ये 4 as it is. So 4 का square root is 2 and 10 raised to 4 का is 10 raised to 2. Right? I did some mistake. Okay, at place of this L, I'll write L. See, I'll explain it once again. 2 1s are, 2 3s are 6. So what remains in the numerator? That is 3 upon L. 3 upon L, square root of 360 upon 4 into 10 raised to minus 3. So 36. Okay, 4 as it is. I'll take this 10 raised to minus 3 in the numerator. That becomes 10 raised to positive 3 and this 0. That is 10 raised to 4 and 36 as it is. Now I'll remove this out of the square root. 3 upon L as it is. 36 का 6 हो गया, 4 का 2 हो गया, 10 raised to 4 का 10 raised to 2 हो गया. Hope this is clear to you now. 2 1s are, 2 3s are. So this is now NP is equal to, you see it is NP. NP is equal to 3 3s are 9 into 10 raised to 2. That is 3 3s are 9 into 10 raised to 2 is 900 upon L. NP, what is NP? NP is 420. So I'll substitute 420 upon, चलो इसको ऐसे ही रहने दो. NP is 420 is equal to 900 upon L. I'll take this L over here. So it is 900 upon 420. 0 0 cancel. 6 7s are 42. 6 1s are 6. 3 remains. 6 5s are 30. So it is 15 upon 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 1 remains because of point, that becomes 10. So 7 1s are 7. 3, so because of point it becomes 30. 7 4s are 28. We'll stop over here. So here L is 2.14. L is 2.14 meter.